So today we're going to be drinking Glemorangie 10 years. It's the original. So James, you haven't tried this, have you?
No.
No, so this is brand new to James. I've drank it a few times. Absolutely love this. It's very smooth, quite fruity. But yeah, it's something you've got to taste.
You're a bit of a connoisseur when it comes to whiskey. I'm
Absolutely
a little bit newer to the game. So
Glemorangie is a Highland malt. What it means by 10 years is the whiskey that's in the bottle has been bottled for no less than 10 years.
Right, so
So
that's a minimum.
could be that's a minimum.
Minimum, right.
So James, what's got you into whiskey?
Well, you really. He loves the whiskey.
Guilty.
Yeah, no, it's just if you've never really tried a variety of whiskies, it's different types, different flavours, different aftertastes, and little things like that. I was like, it opened up a whole new world.
You say it's like the characteristics.
Yeah, they're so different. Every single one is unique, and we just prove that by the sauce. With the sauce of the JD, the honey JD works. Other whiskies don't, so that's just proof we put it there. So should we give it a go?
Yeah, let's open the bottle. As you can
Someone's
see,
definitely had a bit of that
I've,
whiskey.
I have been drinking it. Do you want to get a close up?
That's alright, that's perfect. Oh, we're finishing the bottle. He really must like me. Right, okay.
So if you bring it to your nose, James, smell it as well. I'd love to
I'm
have the
getting
nose.
more of a wine smelling from it.
Okay, yeah.
You know?
Yeah, like a sherry.
Yeah. Right, I'm interested. Right, so there's a technique to doing this.
Yeah, so, well, everyone says drink the whiskey you like how you want to drink it. But don't drink it like a cowboy, knocking it back. Our friend Richard Patterson will tell us that.
Right,
That's
so
where I got all my information
so a
from.
nice sip.
Yeah, so
Right.
take a mouthful. You want to be putting it to the back of the tongue, the front of the tongue, the sides. And it's a 10 year, so 10 seconds, keep it in your mouth. Like creamy. I get a bit of
I've got a bit of a fire.
fire.
Yeah.
That's probably because
The strength of
you're
it.
not used to it. It is bottled at 40% body weight.
Right, okay.
Whereas the stuff
Getting
you're
the flavours after.
normally drinking is a lot less.
Getting the flavours after.
Yeah, sort of.
Bit more of a tongue burn.
Okay.
Definitely. Let's have more. Bit more. Let's have a bit more. You can tell the alcohol
getting fruit.
content
Loads of fruit.
is massively a lot bigger in this than like the average sort of whiskey, like the cheap
Yeah.
whiskies, you know.
Yeah. This obviously.
I'm getting the
being a
fruit
10
flavour
year,
now. Definitely getting the fruit flavour
fruity,
now.
isn't it? Fruity,
Yeah.
smooth, sweet. Like
Imagine
citrusy.
having-
Citrusy. Can you?
Imagine like the aftertaste. I'm getting this. Imagine the aftertaste of having a fruit that's not the sweetest fruit in the world.
Yeah.
You know what the aftertaste apple gives you? It's not very sweet, is it?
A bit of
It's
apple.
like the aftertaste of
I'd say
like
there was
strawberries.
I can taste slight apple. It's
Nice.
definitely citrusy.
I do like it though. It's decent. I would definitely be up for drinking that on a regular basis. So, yucky da.
Yucky da.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, click that notification bell for more videos like this. Only one thing left to say, yucky da.